Nemo?
Go get it. What are you doing?
Tom at a strip club. Do you reckon he's a stripper? He's famously a very handsome man. Famously, he's a tall Nordic man.
What the fuck?
Go!
Nope.
Should I put your hand?
Keep going.
Nope, 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 nope. Go!
Go get it, Macy. Go bring it back. Good girl.
No.
Who are you talking to on there? Who is it?
Oh, Lord. Jesus, he's dirty. Oh, he nasty.
Oh!
Do your hands again and see.
Nope.
He got him a worm.
Looks like, give me that booty love.
Hey!
She's dry.
I can't fight. Oh, that's cute.
Run, Joe, run.
Come on, Lola. Come. Okay, come here. You can do it. Come. Whoa, check out his teeth, guys.
Yeah, so he's not in the fight.
You see the nose right there? Whoa! Jeez.
I told you.
Say hi, kitty. Hi, kitty.
Tell it, Pix.
How would you expect me to find the guy who did? What exactly are you going to do? Ready? Yeah.
Selby.
He's got boots on. He's trying to get used to wearing the boots. He's not sure what to do. Oh, he's getting a treat. He's going to get a treat.
He wants to kick his feet going like, I'm going to get there faster.
Go get your treat.
Okay. I got it. Ah, no!
Michelle, where do you live?
Aurora.
Where does Michelle live?
Well, what happened?
You gotta get a good picture.
I told you not to go in.
Come on, Chewie. Come on, Chewie. Come on, Chewie.
Yes.
Say hi, monkey.
Oh. Whoa, you okay?
Here we go. Family rodeo. Rodeo.
It's okay. It's... Mason? Mason, run this way!
You know they're actually really mean. Roosters are mean.
Hey, get off his eyes. Move your hands. Goofball. Oh!
What's the lion say? Yeah, there he is. Oh my gosh. That is... Don't do that. You're okay.
Open the door.
Hello there, big kitty.
Dad.
Kisses for Tigger? Oh, Tigger?
See that? That's what I'm talking about. Birdman. Birdman in the house.
What you got?
What it do? What up? That's me called being fly. We cool, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I wish I could get it taking a crap on your head.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen though. Yeah, ooh, wait. That's
What
like
did?
No.
Tell Daddy to make it for you.
A cookie.
You're okay. Yay! Derek, you're on camera.
You want kissy kissy?
Do you want to tell me what this is? Were you so bad today? What happened to this remote? Do you want to tell me what happened?
It's school morning. Time to wake up. Yes.
Okay, ready?
He wants you to take it. There you go. Oh, watch.